Say goodbye to messy countertops and dripping sponges. Introducing the kitchen sink Caddy. The adjustable dividers give you 3 separate storage areas, so everything stays in place and within reach. No more clutter, no more searching, just a neat and tidy countertop. Despite its compact size, only 9.25 inches long, 3.97 inches wide, and 6.37 inches tall, it makes full use of every inch of space. This Caddy comes with a rotatable spout that swivels in 3 directions, guiding water straight into your sink. That means no more puddles, no more constant cleaning of the drip tray, just a cleaner kitchen with less effort. Despite its compact size,
Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss an update.